Hi, I'm Debra Sordillo with Coldwell Banker, and I am so excited for you to see my new listing here in Charlestown at 88 Bartlett Street. It's a beautiful floor through, it's 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and it's been recently renovated. As you can see, this gorgeous kitchen with all high-end appliances and beautiful cabinetry. You have a wonderful walk-out deck that you're going to be able to use 12 months out of the year. The wonderful thing about Charlestown is that it's the small area of the city. It's the oldest part of the city. It's 20,000 residents, and we have the oldest tavern in the state of Massachusetts called the Warren Tavern. And I highly recommend you check it out. Reach out to me for your private appointment. This won't last long.